Hi, we're Charlotte and Perry. We travel around the UK and Europe, visiting many different top attractions, from theme parks to zoos to water parks to anything Disney related. We take our camera along the way and film as we go. Now we hope you enjoy this video and thanks for watching. Hey mate. What a day. So we've just arrived in Brisbane. We've picked up our hire car. It is 7 o'clock in the morning.
No, half seven.
Half 7 in the morning. We have driven to come and see the koalas, but we've got an hour's wait because it's half 7 in the morning, so obviously nothing opens till 9 o'clock, so we're just chilling, waiting for 9 o'clock for the park to open. What's the place called, Charlotte?
Lone... I've forgotten it.
Lone Koala Sanctuary, something like that. So I'm going to have a quick look because I've got the screenshot on my phone. Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary, and they do hold a koala at 11 o'clock, and they've got a sheepdog show, the dingo talk, crocodile talk, snake photos, a raptor show. So yeah, we can't get into our hotel room, as anyone who stayed in a hotel would know, until like 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
So the plan was to come here, which was only a 25-minute drive from the hotel, well, from the airport. 25-minute drive from the airport. So just getting, driving a different country, you're always a bit nervous. So yeah, so we've done a 25-minute drive. Now we're chilling.
That's something on your face.
Me and Charlotte was just sitting in them chairs, relaxing. Camera's gone a bit mad, but yeah. So far, we're just relaxing,
Taking in
the sounds.
the nature. Calls.
All the birds are singing. Right, we'll show you guys around, and you might even be lucky enough to see us holding the koala. Yeah, it's got to be done, isn't it? You can't come to Australia and not hold a koala. Charlotte was like the other day, oh, but there's koalas in the UK. I was like, it's not the same. Look at his leg, he's like, look back there. Very flexible.
These are the 4 types that are in this walking enclosure.
He's very gentle. He's about as gentle as Oreo. You want some more? Did you see him boing over?
Yeah, I missed him.
He wants his breakfast in bed. Breakfast in bed? Okay. Nice. There's one behind you, Charlotte.
I haven't got anything left. It's all gone, it's just crumbs.
Oh, he's off. This is a clever croc.
And it says it there.
It's a crocodilius. Sorry.
No, got to pull.
Oh, that's adorable. Thank you.
They little owls. Always digging.
Oh.
Come with. Alright, so we will start with, you might as well have a quick glimpse at the room, Cupboard. Right, so we've got some robes, and in this drawer here, we've got some slippers. We've actually got some weighing scales as well.
Oh, if I...
Hair dryer and laundry bag. Not that we ever use it. Plenty of space. The bathroom with a
bath and that side.
and then a shower that side. With a toilet. Cool. So, telly, beds,
2 double, so twins.
fridge, stocked, knowing that P is going to drink some of it. Charlotte's like, you know that costs, and I'm like, you know I'm going to drink it.
And then on this side is when it
So,
gets fancy.
Some glasses and a bottle opener. I've never had glasses like that in a
No.
drawer before. Kettle. We might as well get that out and put it on the side because.
It's only going to get used.
And then with your kettle, you've got your teas and your coffees and everything you need. No milk though.
Was there none in the fridge?
Oh, there is milk in the fridge. But does that then mean we've got to pay for the milk to put in our tea?
Potentially.
And then in here, there's some snacks. You know.
And alcohol.
Yeah. And a price list. Let's have a little look. Don't forget, this is like £1 is about half or something like that.
It's a rough half.
£3.50 for a juice, £2.50 for crisps. Complimentary milk available upon request.
Oh, okay, so we'll have
Fresh
to
milk.
ask for it.
Okay.
Insect repellent, in case you need it.
Yeah. So
Well, we've already been bitten already a few times in Singapore.
Ask about that milk. I like these.
Little desk, even another mirror.
Little coffee table. Nothing. That we can put the music on, I suppose.
Light dimmer.
It's a bit flickery. And then you've got your insects like door, guard. And then actually there's a golf course just opposite as well. So I think most people here are golfing.
Let the sun in.
Yeah, if you look to the left, golf.
There's a little golf carts. So yeah, just there is the golf course. This is our view. So this is the map of the area. So that's the main bit where we walked in, and then we are staying here. And obviously the golf course is just over there. So that is the name of our section, Alexandra. And it's Joey.